So, there it is. The Lyriq has landed. It's very messy and dirty. Just came off the truck today. There it is in the opulent blue. That's ours. It looks so tiny compared to my Traverse. There she is in all her glory. They don't even have the invoice from GM yet, so it's going to be probably another week until they receive that. So it'll be after the long weekend that I'll be able to pick it up. But yeah, here it is. No Super Cruise, no heated steering wheel. We just went with the Tech, so. It's crazy. It's finally here. The wait is over. Well, sort of. So they took the sticker off the window because Kevin sent the picture with it in the window.